Good morning everyone. How are you all? Students, we are going to start with exercise 6.5. It's on page number 83. So this exercise is based on multiplication fact. Okay, division fact is given to you. You have to find the multiplication fact. If multiplication fact is given to you, you have to find out division fact. Okay, so A and B two parts are there. Let us start. First one, write the division fact for the following multiplication facts. So first it is given here 12 multiplies 7. So 12 multiplies 7 is equal to 84. So how to write division fact? How we will write division fact? So this is the first part. Multiplication fact is given to you. You have to write A and B, means there can be two division facts. Okay. So in division fact, okay, what we will writing? Firstly, we have to write dividend. So what is dividend? The bigger number, the biggest number among these three, that will be your dividend. Okay. One time you will divide 12, then you will get answer 7. We have to use these three digits only. Okay, dividend will be 84 when divided by 12 is equal to 7. Secondly, again, always dividend will be at the first position. Okay, secondly, you will divide by 7, so answer you will get 12. So this will be your division fact. Okay, I think it is clear. 12 multiplies 7 is equal to 84. So 84 you will write. To write division fact, we have to write 84. One time divide by 12, so you will get answer 7. Secondly, you will divide by 7, so answer you will get 12. Come to next one. Next parts are also same like this. 6 multiplied 13 is equal to 78. So your dividend will be 78. One time we will divide by 6. So answer will be 13. Second B part, when we will divide 78 by 13, answer will be 6. So like this, vice versa, we will write. Okay. Come to B part now. Students, 3 and 4 part you will try yourself. Now come to B part. Here you have to write multiplication fact. What is given to you? Division fact is given to you and you have to write the multiplication fact. 36 divided by 12 is equal to 3. So with the help of division fact we can make multiplication fact also. Multiply, which number we will multiply? 12 and 3 when we will multiply. So we will get 36. So this is your multiplication fact. Okay, this number and this number you will multiply. So you will get 36. Now, bigger number will come here. Okay, bigger number will come here. See the second part, 48 when divided by 8 is equal to 6. So multiplication fact, you will take this and this number. Okay, 8 and 6 when we will multiply, then we will get 48. Then we will get 48. So like this you are going to do this exercise 6.5. Come to exercise 6.6. It's on page number 84. Page number 84. Exercise 6.6. Okay. First part is A. Divide using multiplication table. Same way you have to do 30 when divided by 5. What will be your answer? How you are going to check it? What will be your answer? How you are going to check it? See, we have to see 30 in 5 table. 5 table we will start reciting. Okay, 5 table you have to see there 30 is coming. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, like this. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. So your answer will be now 6. Okay, answer will be 6. 49 when divided by 7 is equal to what? That you have to find out. So with what number we will multiply? 7. 7 we will see where 49 we are getting. 7 are 49. 7 sevens are 49. So 7 will be your answer. Okay, like this way. So see, this is third part. 135 when divided by 15. So 15 table you have to see where you are getting 135. Okay, 15 table start speaking till the time you will get 135. So we know 15 nines are 135. So your answer will be 9 here. Whatever will be answer, where you are getting the number exactly, that will be your answer. These are simple, only 63 when divided by 9. So 9 table where we are getting. So 9, 7. So 7 will come. 72 when divided by 8. It is 8 9 is 72. So here also it will be 9. 117 when divided by 13. So 13 table you will see where we are getting 117. So 13 9s are 117. So 9 will be here. Okay, next 153 divided by 17. So 17 table C where we are getting 153. Here also 17 9s are 153. Then 70 10s are 170. Okay. So here also it will be 9. Next 144 divided by 18. So 18 table you have to see where you are getting 144. So you can check it by multiplication also, and you have to learn this 18 table also. Okay, so 18 8s are 144. Okay, so this is the A part.
Action.
Now see B part, find the divisor. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Dividend is given to you, you have to find divisor. Okay, so how we are going to find divisor? 48 divided by which number, so that you will get 6. So 6 table you have to see, student. Okay, this table 6, this side which number is given to you, that table you have to see. Now here you have to see 6 table. 6 table where you are getting 48. So 6 8s are. Okay, like this also you can write 6 where we are getting 48. 6 8s are. So 8 will be your answer. Okay, 45 divided by which number, so that you will get 9. So 9 table you have to see now. 9 table see, 9 table where you are getting 45. 9 5s are. So 5 will be your divisor. 27 divided by dash is equal to 9. So 9 table again see, 9 3s are 27. Okay, so here if you are not understanding, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are. Okay, so that number will be your answer. 56 divided by which number, so that you will get 7. So 7 table you have to see, 7 table where we are getting 7 8s are 56. So 8 will be your answer. Like this you are going to do, you have to do all these parts. Okay, next part is now you have to, somewhere you have to find quotient. Okay, somewhere you have to find quotient, somewhere you have to find dividend and divisor. Okay, so you have to complete the table. Question is complete the table. Sorry. Okay, first is 72 when divided by 12, what is your quotient? So 72 when divided by 12, now you will see the table of 12. Okay, smaller number that is 12, so you will see the table of 12. So 12 6s are 72. Okay, now see students, this is the C part. Complete the following table. Okay, dividend, divisor, quotient. 72 when divided by 12, you have to see 12 table where you are getting 72. So 12 7s are 12 6s are, sorry. So 6 will be your answer. Now see 30 divided by which number, so that answer will be 6. So 6 table you have to see now. 6 table where we are getting 30. 6 5s are 30. Okay, so answer will be now 5. Same way 98 when divided by 14. Now 14 table you have to see. 14 table where you are getting 98. So 14 sevens are, okay, 14 sevens are 98. Okay, so 7 will be your answer. Now 144 divided by 16. So 16 table also you have to see. 16 table check where we are getting 144. So 69s are, okay. So 9 will be your answer. Same way this 108 divided by 18. 18 table where we are getting 108. So 18 6 are, 18 6 like this also you can check with the multiplication. 8 6 are 48, 4 carry 8, 6 1 is 6 plus 4 108. So 18 6 are, so answer will be 6. Now last part is 36 when divided by dash is equal to 4. So 4 table we all know, 4 9s are 36. Okay, so this is your C part. Means these parts are based on your multiplication tables only. Okay. Next part is compare. Compare and put greater than, smaller than or equal to. Okay, these signs you have to put. CT part. First is, see how you are going to solve it. First it is 2 4s are, and here you have to put symbol 72 divided by 8. So two sides are there, left hand side, right hand side. Okay, so 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 72 divided by 8. So 72 when divided by 8 means it's 9. So 8 and 9, which one is greater? This. So like this you will put symbol here. Okay. Now next is 2 divided by 1, and here 2 multiply by 1. So that is equal to only, because 2 1s are 2 divided by 1, that is 2, and 2 1s are 2. So equal to sign will come. Third one, 64 when divided by 8. 64 when divided by 8 is equal to 5 multiply 0. So when any number we are multiplying by 0, answer is 0 only. So which number will be greater? 64 divided by 8 is 8, and here it is 0. So obviously 8 is bigger. Fourth is 3 divided by 1, and here 3 multiply by 1. 3 divided by 1 means it is 3 only. 3 1s are 3. So here also equal to sign will come. Okay. So equal to sign will come. So sign will be equal to, here it is greater than. Come to fifth one, 9 multiply 9. So 9 9s are 82, and here you have to see 81 when divided by 9. 9 9s are 81, and here it is 9. Okay, so this will be, which number is bigger? 81 is bigger. Okay, firstly we are finding answer, then we are comparing them. Sixth part is 7 multiply 1 is equal to, okay, that we have to see only. Sixth part, 7 multiply 1 is given here, and here 49 divided by 7. So see students, now 7 1s are 7, 49 when divided by 7 is equal to 7 only. So equal to sign. Okay. So this way you have to solve this question in your book only. Okay. So I hope this exercise you will practice in your practice notebook as well. Now only one exercise is left, 6.7. So we will start that exercise in our next video. Till the time, have a good day. God bless.